Hi, welcome to your asynchronous Wednesday. Hope you're having a great morning or afternoon so far. All right, today we're going to do a check-in assignment. So I'm going to use this demo class here on the bottom. So your assignments are always outside where it says due today. So you don't need to click on the class, it's right here to see the assignments. You can click on it this way. You can click on the class, click on upcoming, same assignments, or you can click on classwork under today's assignment. Either way, it's all the same assignment. So we're going to click on it and read the instructions. Please watch the video for steps on how to complete today's assignment, which is what you're doing now. You're going to split your screen between PowerSchool and Google Forms, which is below. You're going to fill out the form as you have your screen split. You're then going to come back to Google Classroom and complete any missing assignments. And then once you're done, you're going to click Mark as done. So you get credit for your work that you did. All right, so let's get started. So we're going to first go to PowerSchool. You can scroll down to helpful websites. You can click on helpful websites over here, and it'll take you, and you scroll down until you see PowerSchool student sign in. Parent sign in. So you're going to click on this. It's going to bring you to this page here. Your username is just capital EA and then your ID number. Everybody has a different number. Your password is just that same number. You can come down and highlight it and right click copy. And then for password, you can right click again and click paste. Or you can write the number twice. Totally your call. Once you're done, you're going to sign in. It's going to take you to a page that's going to show you all of your grades. On that page, there'll be a letter grade and number, or just be a number grade. You're going to click on that and it'll show you all of your assignments for your class. It'll show you how you did on a particular assignment. Next to the grade, you're going to see, you might see the word view, and it's just any notes that your teacher left behind about the assignment. Maybe you could have did the assignment multiple times. Maybe you missed the assignment because you were absent. Whatever the case is, the teacher will put their notes there so you can read that and see why you got the grade you got, just in case you have any questions. Now, if you can't log into PowerSchool, you can always go to Gmail and you can write an email to the help desk. You click compose and then type in helpdesk@neacademy.net and say PowerSchool. Hello, my name is Barbara Raymond. I am in the 6th grade. Because you might have a name that's very common, that's in multiple grades. So you should tell them what grade you're in. And I cannot log into PowerSchool. Please help. Thank you. Make sure you don't have any grammar mistakes. Good, I just did. All right. Write your name there, and then click send. You can send me that same email if you want. I mean, probably better off emailing the help desk, but you can email me if you want. It's just B Raymond, and then click send. If you want to ask me a question about something else, you can just click on this plus button over here for Hangouts, type in my name, BRE, and then my name should come up, and say, hey, can you help me with PowerSchool? And then I'll respond and say, sure, what can I do? Or how can I help? And then there I am. So you can message me if you want to, if you have a question about anything, or if you can't log into PowerSchool, whatever the case is. You can message me or you can email me by clicking on the plus sign to message, compose to write an email to me. Okay. So then the next thing says we got to split our screen. So we're going to take PowerSchool. We're going to make it, click this little button to minimize it. And we're going to click it over here. And then it's going to ask me what other window I want. And there I am. So here's PowerSchool on one side. Here is my Google Classroom on the other side. So if I go back to today's assignment and I open this form, it's going to come up like this. All right, so it says to put my name. So I'm going to write my name. There. And then I'm going to fill out these questions. How do you feel about the school year so far? And then I'll give my answer. Do you know how to check PowerSchool? I hope so, because we just did it. How often do you check your grades in PowerSchool? Never, which is hopefully not the case. Once a week, maybe a couple of times a week, or every day. What is your grade in my class? Look over here, it'll tell you your grade. Do you have any missing assignments? Again, if you look on this side, it tells you all of your missing assignments. You'll say whatever they are, because it says which ones. So you're listing the assignments. Do you want to improve your grade? Yes, hopefully is your answer. And then explain. And then how can you obtain the grade you want in this class? So if you want an A in this class, how are you going to get that A? Or if you want a B in this class, how are you going to get that? And then once you're done, you're going to click submit. And then keep this form up. Actually, don't hit submit, because then it goes through. So then you can click submit. It doesn't matter, because your grades, all of your missing assignments will be up in PowerSchool. Alright, so go back into Google Classroom, and then to complete your missing work, you could just go to do, go to missing, and it tells you everything you're missing for all of your classes. If you just want my class, which is what we're focusing on, you're going to go to my class, and it says this week. So if you're missing anything from this week, it'll tell you. So if I go to, sorry, if I just go to my first period and I click missing, this is what I'm missing this week. All right, last week, what did I miss? I missed all of this work. I didn't turn any of this work in, so I probably need to do it. Even earlier than that, what didn't I turn in? I didn't turn in my Zoom procedures, my contract. I probably should turn that in. It's an easy 20 points. So I need to do all of this missing work. You can click view all to see everything that you're missing for all of your assignments. The social justice assignments for Wednesdays they impact your grade a lot because they go in as project grades. So make sure you are completing those assignments by logging into Nearpod and answering the questions. Remember, you can click on the picture to make it bigger. You can speak your answers if you don't want to type them. Whatever you want to do to complete the assignments. And then once you're done, the assignments, you're going to click mark as done. And then it gets turned in to me. Then I get a notification that you completed it. And that's all you're doing today. If you have nothing to do under to do, if you've completed all of your work and you have nothing here, then the day is yours. All you have to do is fill out that Google form, and that's it. If you have an A in this class and you have no past missing assignments, then you're totally fine. If you have past missing assignments and you want to bring that grade up, this is your opportunity to do so. So please use today to complete all missing work for social studies and then any other class, because this quarter ends in 2 weeks and then we're done this quarter, moving on to the second quarter. It's going to go by really quickly. So please take this seriously. Again, if you have any questions, you can hop onto my Zoom. I'm on there. If I'm not on there, you can message me on Google Hangouts or send me an email. Hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll see you on Thursday.